In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize navigation menus in Wix Studio. To get started, open your design in Wix Studio so you can work directly inside the editor. Navigation menus are one of the most important parts of any website because they help visitors move through your content quickly and understand your site. Structure at a glance. A clear menu can make your site feel much more professional and easier to use. Once your design is open, go to the left side of the workspace and click Add Elements, which is the plus icon from there. Select Menu and Anchor. You will see different menu types available, including horizontal menus, vertical menus, and hamburger menus. Choose the one that best fits your layout. A horizontal menu is usually best for desktop headers. A vertical menu works well in sidebars, and a hamburger menu is ideal for more compact or mobile-friendly designs. Drag your chosen menu onto the page and place it where it makes the most sense, which is often inside the header so it stays easy to find. Next, click the menu on your canvas and choose Manage Menu. This is where you control the structure of your navigation. In the panel, click Add Items to include your main site pages, external links, or even dedicated mega menus if your site needs a more advanced navigation setup. If you want to create drop-down submenus, drag a page item slightly to the right and position it underneath a parent page. That nesting action creates the hierarchy. You can also rename pages, hide them from the menu, or reorder everything by dragging and dropping items until the structure feels clean and logical. After that, it's time to customize the design. Select the menu and open the Inspector panel on the right side of the screen. Scroll to the Design section and choose the exact part of the menu you want to edit, such as the menu items, the menu container, or the submenu. From there, customize the different states, including regular, hover, and current page. This lets you control how the menu looks normally, how it reacts when someone points at it, and how the active page is highlighted. You can adjust fonts, colors, text styles, backgrounds, borders, and shadows to match the rest of your website branding. You should also select the menu and click Layout in the floating toolbar or Properties panel. Here, you can fine-tune spacing, align the items properly, and decide what should happen if your menu has too many items. You can either wrap them onto a new line or enable side scrolling, depending on the style and space available. Finally, make sure to optimize for mobile viewpoints. Since Wix Studio is responsive, check the smaller screen breakpoints at the top of your workspace. On smaller screens, hide the horizontal desktop menu and add a responsive hamburger menu instead. You can customize the hamburger icon, the container color, and the font specifically for smaller viewports without changing your desktop layout. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.